Hello everyone, welcome back to S for Shamsi Tech YouTube channel where we help you keep your home cool and efficient. In today's video, we are talking about a super simple but important topic: how to keep your air conditioner in cool mood the right way. Let's dive in. Most air conditioners come with different modes like fan, dry, auto, and of course cool. Cool mode is what you use when you want the AC to actually lower the temperature in your room. In this mode, the compressor kick in and circulate cool air until desired temperature is reached. Here's how you can make sure your AC is in cool mode. Turn on your AC, use the remote or wall unit, press the mode button until you see cool or a snowflake icon. Different brand may show it differently. Look for the icon onward. Set your desired temperature. Most people prefer between 22 degrees centigrade and 25 degrees centigrade. Adjust the fan speed if needed. Higher fan speed cool the room faster but uses more energy. Make sure windows or doors are closed, that way your cool doesn't work over time. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your AC in cool mode. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more home comfort tips. Stay cool. See you next time.